Hey there, Raiders. Here's how to open locked loot doors in SAND. If you've come across a locked loot room and spotted valuable items through the windows, you might be wondering how to get inside. The good news is that these doors can be forced open. You just need enough firepower. Locked loot doors can be destroyed using explosives such as grenades, time bombs, explosive barrels, or even your trampler's cannons. While grenades and time bombs will get the job done, they're usually better saved for combat or other situations where you'll really need them. A much cheaper option is to look around the area for one of the red explosive barrels that often spawn nearby. Simply carry the barrel over to the locked door, place it right in front of it, then shoot the barrel with your weapon to detonate it. The explosion should destroy the door and give you access to the room. If your trampler is close enough, you can also fire one of its cannons directly at the door to blast it open without using any of your portable explosives. Once the door is destroyed, head inside and collect the loot. Since these rooms are locked for a reason, they often contain better rewards than the standard containers found throughout the area. Just remember that explosions make a lot of noise. Blowing open a loot room can attract nearby hostile players. So stay alert while you're grabbing the loot and make sure you extract safely, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.